Hey guys, it's Ekcho coming to you with another video. So today's video is going to be about my beauty room. So I'm excited to share with you. I plan on changing things in the room. This is just for the moment. It was cheap and it works. So let's check it out. Let's start here. So this is my TV situation. It is actually a monitor that I purchased at my job for $50. There's a speaker on the top. I bought that from an auction. A lot of the stuff I do have is like repurposed, or I bought it from an auction and that I want to do it differently. I believe it was $10 that I purchased it for. So that was a good buy. And below the TV setting is where I keep a lot of my hair products. Not all of them, but most of them. And I have a DVD player. Sometimes I work out in here. Well, not a lot. I'm trying. And when it gets hot in here, like now, it's usually hot. And I just blow it towards the vanity to keep me cool while I'm doing my makeup. And this is a foot spa because I do my own pedicures to save money. I think it's easier. I like it. It's relaxing after a long week of work. When your feet are hurting, just come back to your beauty room and chill. And this is also a hooded dryer. So I do my deep conditioning with the hooded dryer, or I blow dry or dry my wigs. And this is a fridge. I use it for my skincare. It's way affordable and less expensive than a lot of the fridges that they have out there. So I recommend checking out Walmart.com. They always have sales on these fridges that are with the sodas and stuff. So I just keep like face mask in there. I have, what is this? I have, it's by a brand, Dior Cosmetics. It's a black owned company and it's a complexion mask. This mask is so amazing. I think that if you want to check out a company that's black owned and has great skincare products, I recommend checking out this company. I'll put in my description, I'll put the name of the company and where I got this and the products that I get. And then these are just my face mask. I have more, but I only put a few in here because I like them cold. And I feel like it keeps them they last longer when they're in the fridge. So this is the vanity. So this is where I do my makeup every day. Well, not every day. Whenever I do my makeup or hair, it's done in here. So this desk I purchased at an auction as well. I told y'all I'm always trying to find a deal. So this desk was about $20 or $25. And it was, I think it's a good buy for the amount that, like, it's so heavy, it's so sturdy. I'll put the name. I bought it, and I want to get this off. I don't know how to take this off. I tried to like lift this up, or if you have any suggestions on how I can cover this with something. I spilled some acetone here. I didn't even know I spilled the acetone until later, and then it started to pill. I was thinking about I should just acetone the whole thing, but then I thought I do want to change this desk. My initial idea for this desk was to either paint it white or do marble adhesive on it. And to paint it white, I was thinking this is a small room. This is pretty heavy to take out. So if you know of like either some paint that so I won't pass out in here. Because I always think that I'm going to pass out if I try to paint this in the room. But I really do like it. And I want to, it's like so sturdy and durable that I really don't want to get rid of it. And I was thinking about trying to get this part taken off of the vanity desk. But I do use this area. I do plug in things and I charge stuff. Like right now, my fridge is plugged in there. Then this is plugged in. And then sometimes I plug in my earbuds. Or I just charge or if my cell phone when I'm watching videos or doing my hair and makeup, I'll charge my phone here. And it has the USB cord. It has 2 plugs. I think it's okay. And then these are a few of my products. I am not a makeup junkie. I don't hoard makeup. I usually like to use my makeup because I know makeup expires. So as far as me trying to have like a whole bunch of products, it probably won't happen because I don't like to hold on to products that long because I know eventually they will expire. Unless I just want them for show, just I guess that would be okay. But I'm not really into keeping makeup like that. But maybe I'll buy more products, give them away, because I always like to give away stuff. So there's lip glosses, setting spray, foundation, concealer. These are my Juvia's Place palettes, and those are my makeup brushes. That's lotions and face primers, SPF, bio oil, and then there's my flat iron. And then these are the drawers for the desk. It's 3 different ones. So it's 1, 2, 3. The middle one's the bigger one. And they're not that deep. So you won't get a lot of space, but it works. This one's a little messy. This one usually has my eyebrows, mascara, makeup, wipes, sponges, and then these are just extra products that I just bought and I just threw them in there. And in the middle one, I keep some extra palettes. I like the Urban Decay palettes. They're so cute. And yeah, this Juvia's Place, that is foundations, concealer, extra concealers. This is eyeliner, eyebrow stuff. And then in this one, it's miscellaneous as well. And then this is not dirty, it's just stained, but I want to get rid of it. So if anyone have any suggestions or ideas, let me know. And then this has eyeshadows, face powders, eye tweezers, fan. And then this right here is just nail stuff. So I have rhinestones in there, and then that is you can put fake nails on it and paint them. So I just got that. This is like buffer and nail file. This is nail file, putty, glue, clippers, and then nail stickers and things. And then right in this area, it is my nail polishes. So I buy all types of different kinds, from gel to regular polish. I'm trying to get back into polishing my nails because I'd rather just save money. So that's my nail polish. I want to get a plastic rack, like when you go to the nail salon and they have the racks on the wall. I want to get that. So I just use this for the moment. And then this is my name. And it was an airbrushed jean jacket. I could not fit the jacket any longer, so I wanted to keep that portion that was an airbrush with my name because I like the sun. I'm a Leo, so the sun, I've always liked the sun. And then this is wall art that I made. This is CD covers of music that I purchased, and I always would save the CDs Some are for my sister, some are for mine. And she didn't want them any longer, and I just couldn't bear to get rid of them. So I made it into a collage. All right, and then this is the chair. The chair is not that fancy. It's kind of squeaky, but I like it for the moment. And I got this from an auction. You guessed it, an auction. And then let's go to the drawers. And this is more nail stuff. This has extra nose rings. I lose my nose rings like crazy. These are like the eyebrow, like the facial hair trimmers. That is a nail drill. And there's eyelashes, face mask. I told y'all I had a drawer full of face masks. And then this one's miscellaneous, like a lot of makeup bags. And then we go here. This is the curtain. I put them high because I feel like it makes the room look bigger, like has wider ceilings. So I put the, it's a little crooked, but I put it high. And then this is my full length mirror. I got this from OfferUp. This guy was selling a whole bunch of them for $20. And I jumped on it so quick. I have a little car and I was like, this better fit on my car. And he was like, oh, let's hope it fits. I think it was $20. It could have been $20, could have been $30, but it was a good deal for a full length mirror. And I want to put lights around it and paint it a different color. So if you have any suggestions on that, or what thing, I'm going to tell you what I want to keep in this room. And I want to keep the desk. Honestly, I like it all. But this is a full length mirror. And then this is the gallery wall. It's a little janky, but I just wanted to do something. And then this picture I got from the auction as well. I think it was $10. It was really cheap. I thought it looked like three natural girls having a good time. So I was like, yes, sis, I gotta get it. And then this one, the middle one, was the actual one. The other ones around it I made myself. But this middle one, it was on the auction as well. I got it for $5. I thought I was gonna bid on more during this auction for the painting ones, but I didn't really like all the other pictures. And I was like, oh, this little purse will go well in a makeup room, black and white. So it's pretty cool. And this is where I keep my lotions and sprays and hand stuff. And then down here is a few books, like fashion books, things like that. So I just want like some perfume, lotion, other lotions, books like fashion, makeup, diet books, miscellaneous books. And then here is, oh, and then right here, it is my yoga mat that I use in here when I'm doing working out. So that's the yoga mat. It's really cushiony. I really like that yoga mat. It's real nice. I got that from the auction too. So a lot of the stuff from the auction that you get is brand new things that no one's, some of them are brand new things that no one's used, but I still sanitize that whole thing just in case. You never know. It still was like in the packaging and everything, but I still sanitize it just in case, just to be safe. But I got that a while ago. And then this is the couch. I also got this from an auction. I believe I got this for $25. I'm gonna say $25. They don't have it anymore. They had some of them on the auction they had with a pull-out couch, like a pull-out bed. And I wanted to get that one, but every time I tried to bid on it, it would go too high for me. And my price range was around, I was trying to go like 50 and below. And The ones that had the, because I was thinking that have the pull out, and then this can be a room like if someone needed to sleep over or whatever, what have you. And that is that. And then I have a curtain, a black curtain for this one. So there's 2 windows in here. And then this is my ring light. And guess where I got this? If you don't know, then you haven't really been watching this video. So comment below if you know where I got this from. But I'm gonna tell you. So I got this from the auction. Yes, you guessed it, sis. From the auction, and it was $10. It only came with the ring light. It had no cord and no stand. And I have stands because I thought I was going to be like a YouTuber, and I have stands in my closet, and I have other lights in my closet too. So I bought this, $10, and it said that it didn't work, but I still take my chances and I buy things. So I went and I bought it, plugged it in, had a plug, plugged it in, and it worked. So that one, I really like that. For $10, that's a good deal. And the carpet, I got this from the auction as well. I was thinking of like a yellow and blue theme, but I don't know now. Now I kind of want to change it. So if you have any suggestions on what I should do, just let me. And then this is what I have behind the door. It's nothing too fancy, just a few purses, little bags, and then some jewelry. And I have some cords, like HDMI cords, and a cord for my Canon camera. I'm using my phone because it is kind of easier to do it this way instead of having to plug it in and all that stuff. So I'm going to do an overview of the room.